This question is analytical. Carbon is often deposited in the exhaust pipes of cars because of the... Why do the exhaust pipes of cars get darkened as the car is being used? The reason is simple. The petrol you are putting in your vehicle is known as octane. When this petrol gets into the combustion engine, it is burnt either completely or incompletely. Complete combustion of petrol is represented by the following equation. This is petrol, known as octane. So in the engine, oxygen is used to burn down this petrol completely. It is expected that this petrol is burnt down completely. And during the burning, carbon from this petrol picks oxygen and gets oxidized to carbon 4 oxide. Hydrogen from this petrol picks oxygen again and gets oxidized to water. This is complete oxidation because carbon has been oxidized to its highest oxide form, and the hydrogen has been oxidized to water, a very stable compound. No deposit of carbon. Remember, carbon is a black substance that is deposited in your exhaust pipe. We can balance this equation by recognizing that carbon is 8 here. So you go here and write 8 at the back of carbon. Hydrogen is 18 here. 2 here, you just write 9 there. Oxygen is 2 here, 8 times 2, 16, plus 9, 25. You just write 25 over 2 times 2, which is the same 25. Or you multiply everything by 2 to eliminate this fraction. So that we write 2 here is 25. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9. In the incomplete combustion, the carbon may not be able to get fully oxidized to carbon 4 oxide. It may be oxidized to carbon 2 oxide, carbon monoxide. We may even have a deposit of carbon that was not even oxidized. Then we may have carbon 4 oxide, and finally water. You can see that this combustion is not complete. We have carbon monoxide, not fully oxidized, and we have even carbon that was not oxidized at all. So it's incomplete. That is why we now have this deposit of carbon black at the exhaust pipe. To balance the equation, carbon is 8 plus 2, 8. Hydrogen 18. You come here and write 9 at the back of water to complete hydrogen 18. Oxygen 2. Here we have 9, 12, 21, 22. So oxygen is 22 here. Coming here, you write 22 divided by 2 times 2, the same 22. You can write 2 throughout. You can multiply everything by 2. 2 here. 22 over 2 times 2 is 22, and 18 here. So if you check again, it's balanced. Carbon is often deposited in the exhaust pipe of cars because of the what? Contamination of petrol with diesel? No. Dehydrogenation of petrol. Incomplete combustion of petrol. The correct option there is C. Petrol burns incompletely to deposit some carbon particles that were not oxidized, and that is why you have deposit of carbon in your exhaust pipe. Follow for more and do have a nice day. Bye.